Oh, what an adventure! Get lost with Google Maps. G'day everyone, how you going? I got my darling wife holding the camera for us today. So this got dropped off the other day. I have unpacked it. It's how do you pronounce that word, dear? BLAVOR. It's basically a little power supply. I was looking at them to get for Ziggy's go bag, and this company just happened to send me one, so we're going to give it a test. This is it's a little book that comes with it. Let's just get into it. So what does it come with in the box? That's a moisture thing. One of these little compasses. Is it pointing north? Yes, it is pointing north. Amazing. Okay, so that obviously works. USB to USB-C outlet, and the unit itself. Now I've already had it going. Let's before I turn it on, let's have a look at the features. So these are rain resistant, water resistant. Okay, oh, it looks like it's on. Okay, so down on this one here, you can see this is different from the others. So this is a little light. Oh, it was a very bright little light. It turns the lights on for night time, and it's quite good too. That's the solar. That's what that is. That's got a picture of the sun there. So that's the solar charger. Okay. And let's turn him off again. Here it is here. You just meant to hold it for a few seconds and off it goes. And down here in this water resistant outlet, okay, you've got USB-C, USB, and I can't quite see what that one is there. That's not US. I don't know what that one's for. It's got three little plugs there anyway. I know that's USB-C, that's the newest one. That's the one that's everyone uses now. And it's got the old USB. And basically on this side here, this is meant to be for charging wirelessly your phones and that. But look, it doesn't, I can't imagine if that's going to charge an iPhone or anything like that too quickly, if at all. And this, like I said, it's 0.26 of an amp, which if you're hiking all day and you've got this hanging on your backpack in the sun, then you are going to put a little bit of charge into it, okay? All right, so we've had a look at the unboxing, and well, like I said before, I actually unboxed it and had a good look, and I've been using it, and I've just put it all back in the box to make it look nice. But this is the unit here, and it's got charging. I don't think it would be very efficient way to charge a mobile device, but it may put a small trickle charge in. I don't know. I've got my phones aren't that flash. They don't have that sort of charging. I got to plug mine in. Now we've been looking for one of these for Ziggy's go bag. What's a go bag? A go bag is when we're out camping and Ziggy wants to go for a walkabout and have a look for flowers or lizards or rocks or anything like that. Then she grabs this little go bag, and in that go bag there's everything she needs. Okay, there's the GPSs. There's will be this flashlight with this charging device. Small backup power supply, matches, stuff like that she needs if anything happens. A radio so she can call if she's in help, if she needs help. And this was just one other function I've been looking for. And the price of this made this very affordable and a very easy choice for me. Not to mention that it's very water resistant, I would say. I think they say waterproof. I would say it's like it's got holes in it, and it has got plugs and covers that go in those holes. But you know, it's like anything else. You know, it's good in the rain probably, but you know, don't get anything in the holes. It does have plugs in there to cover all those holes, but yeah. Let's just scroll down and have a quick look here. I mean, you can make up your own mind. There's lots of different ones. If you want something that has a lot more charging, it does charge off solar. However, bear in mind that's at 0. You can see it right there. Okay. This is a tiny solar panel, so it's only going to put in 0.23 amps, which isn't a lot of power. So don't, if you're going to be using this all night as a flashlight, or you know, until you go to bed or something like that, but don't just rely on it for charging, okay? Unless you buy, unless you get one of the extended panel systems or something like that. You know, it's horses for courses, people. Buy the right one you need. Now, so far we've been using this, and it's working absolutely good. See, it says IPX5 waterproof, okay? So that doesn't mean you can go diving with it, submerge it in a bucket of water or anything like that. That just means, you know, light rains, in your pocket, you know, because it has got little rubber plugs that go in there. Yeah, it's a very, very good unit. And like I say, I've been looking for one, and this company contacted me, and I said, "You're perfect timing, people. I've just been looking at these." They sent me a unit, and look, I'm not telling this to go buy it. For me, it was worth. I would have bought it anyway because it's simply of the price, and it's worth the risk. You know, for me, that price is extremely low, and makes it extremely worthwhile. All right, I hope you enjoy this video. I'll put a link to this in the video description. So please go down and have a look at the link.